talk about definite articles, articoli determinativi. In Italian, we have a lot of them. In English, we can use the and it's easy. In Italian, we distinguish in terms of gender, maschile, femminile, and singular and plural. So we have 7 definite articles. We use il with masculine singular nouns starting with a consonant. For example, il cane. Then we have L apostrophe, L apostrofo, and we use it with singular masculine noun starting with a vowel, like albero, l'albero, and it's like just one word, l'albero, the pronunciation. And then we have the most difficult one, that is lo. A lot of students, they don't know how to use lo properly. But there is a rule. Basically, we use lo with singular masculine nouns starting with S plus another consonant like studente, lo studente, or S P, no, sorry. PS, I wanted to say, like psicologo, lo psicologo, or also we use it with singular masculine nouns. They are all singular masculine nouns, starting, for example, with Z, like zio, uncle, lo zio. So we already have 3 cases. S plus consonant, PS, Z, and those are like the most common ones. But then we also have nouns starting with Y, like yogurt, lo yogurt, and PN, like pneumatic, lo pneumatico. Also GN, like gnomo, that is like gnome, dwarf, lo gnomo. And last but not least, EU, like lo Yugoslav. So we have 7 cases when we use lo. And then we have the plural definite articles regarding masculine. So we had il singular, and the plural is I. So for example, il cane becomes I cani. Instead, lo and L apostrophe, their plural is gli. That is difficult to pronounce. It's a GLI, gli. So, for example, l'albero, gli alberi. Lo studente, gli studenti. And I would say that the masculine part is a bit more difficult than the feminine one. The feminine one has less options. Indeed, when a singular feminine noun starts with a consonant, we use la. La studentessa, la casa. When it starts with a vowel, like amica, we use L apostrophe, la amica, the friend. And that's a good thing that the plural exists only in terms of le. So the plural of like the definite plural article for the feminine gender is always le. So la studentessa, le studentesse, l'amica, le amiche. So this part is easy. So just to sum it up, we have 2 genders, masculine and feminine, singular and plural, 7 options in total, more for the masculine side than the feminine one. And I hope this video help you a bit to understand how to use articles properly. Yeah, I sometimes I had to think about it. I was a bit confused myself, but yeah, I don't have a script, so I like to use like a natural light, no background, no script. This is how I teach my students. So, well, I hope you like it. If you have questions, leave a comment or send me an email. And see you in the next video that probably will be about undefinite article. Ok? Allora, ciao, buona giornata e buono studio.